Hello guys and welcome back. I'm so excited to be hanging out with you guys today. We are going to be working on a summer herb garden. I have been wanting to do this for the longest. I ordered this little herb garden planter probably about 2 months ago. I have yet to open the box. It's still sitting in my room, and it's small, it's nothing big. But I ordered this about 2 months ago, and shame on me, I wasn't paying attention to the size of the little planter, and it's a little bit on the smaller side than what I wanted to order. But it's okay, we're gonna go ahead and go with it. I got up this morning and we went to Lowe's, and Lowe's didn't have a good selection of herbs. So we hopped on over to Home Depot, and Home Depot actually had a sale that they were 5 herbs for $10. So we picked up about 8 of them. We picked up some oregano, chives, thyme, just a bunch of herbs that way here. And hopefully they'll be thriving and they'll be doing great. So I wish I would have started on this project a little sooner, but hey, better late than never. So I am going to be working on this little garden today, enjoying the outdoors. And also, if I have enough time, I'm going to bring you guys around the property so I can show you guys the wildflowers on our land. Oh my goodness, they are so pretty, they're so beautiful, and I have never seen these flowers before. Some of them are just really strange looking, but they're pretty in their own little way. So hopefully I have enough time and I'll bring you guys around, that way you guys can see the flowers. But let's get started on our little garden, because I'm excited to put it together and see how it all turns out. Here is the little herb garden that's in here that has been sitting in the box for 2 months. But I like the color. I don't even know if I want to paint it anymore. What do you think? We'll see.
I thought it was going to be just like raw wood.
I bought some paint. It's like almost like a sage green to paint the little garden box, but it's such a pretty, cedar color? That I almost don't know if I want to paint it. Well, I guess we'll just have to wait and see. So we're going to get to building, guys. And there are little herbs over here. These are chives. And we're going to plant these little guys. They're small, but they're mighty. Travis has finished building my little garden box, and I will say it has turned out way better than what I thought. It's a lot taller than what I thought too, because the box, it came in so small, and look at it, so cute. The old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today look so stinking cute in their little home. But this happened to me last year. I don't know what I'm thinking when I'm picking out these herbs. I thought I picked out 2 sets of cilantro, and I actually picked out parsley. So I have 2 parsley plants and 1 cilantro, and I was supposed to pick out 2 cilantro and 1 parsley, but it is what it is. You can't go wrong with parsley either. It's just we consume a lot of cilantro in this home, so I wanted more, but it's okay. So I have this, and then I have a smart garden in the home, which I'll go give you guys an update. I'm growing 3 little pods of basil inside the home. So I absolutely love it. I think it looks so stinking cute. So I'm going to go ahead and get some water and water these guys right now.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many.
Okay guys, I just finished watering these guys and I love it. This turned out to be a lot taller than I expected. So thumbs up on the little raised garden box. And again, I will link this in my description box, so that way if you are interested in purchasing this guy, you know where to get them from. So I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys inside the house and give you a quick update on the smart garden. The basil is thriving. So that smart garden, 10 out of 10. So let me go ahead and show you guys real quick. Okay, look at the basil. I think I've had it planted here about maybe 3 weeks. Look at that. I cannot wait. And when they get tall enough, I will plant these in at a pot outside. So we will have every herb that you could imagine that at least that we consume. And I may go back and buy me some more cilantro, but the basil looks so pretty. I love it. And this little guy is awesome. So easy to use. And now I'm outside and our little lemon tree has a bloom. Look at that. Our little Lemon Myers lemon tree. The deer have not found it yet. So my little plants are thriving here. I will tell you, they're like little children. You have to constantly keep watering them, keep an eye on them, fertilizing them. I always keep telling them, now I'm a plant mom. Now that my kids are all grown and on their own, now I've officially become a plant mom, but I like it. I find it so much fun just being outside, watering, taking care of the plants. They just make a home feel so cozy and beautiful. But now that I'm back here and we have our little herb garden there, I think I want to play around with it and kind of rearrange it back here. So I wanted to take you guys for a quick little walk on my property here because we have so many beautiful wildflowers and I wanted to share that with you. So I'm going to close out the vlog.